Hello, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals. We're here on our third cleaning for the day, final cleaning. Finally got through the day, and this is our upholstery cleaning that we'll be doing. So take a look with me. This is the couch we'll be doing. We have our black light. So we're looking at the areas where we're going to penetrate our solution at to definitely get these sanitized and clean. So that's why we pull out the black light as well. So these are the two sofas we'll be doing. Standard groom and clean. We're also going to be doing the pillows as well. Stay tuned. All right, we're getting some agitation going. That's just agitation. We're just rubbing the solution into the fabric. So it's something like shampooing your hair. You're rubbing the shampoo into your hair, then you're gonna wash it out. That's what we're doing. We're rubbing the solution in, and then we're gonna wash it out. Really working it into those fibers. Let's make sure this ensures that we're getting a very thorough clean. I just finished the first couch. We're getting ready to dump the water. This is the dirty water from the first one. Check it out. All right, body oils, food, all that's coming up out of there. Hello, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals. We're done with our upholstery cleaning for today, and we're all finished with the cleans for today. So take a look with me. Here's the couch that came out, and here's the cushions. We did the cushions, so they're in the way. But if you looked at the video, we seen that we had this area right here. There was some light blue that was popping up right there. I don't know if that's ink or oil, but I can't get that out. But all those other things, the little brightness pops that you see right now in the video, those are pieces of linen, like cotton strands that are lighting up. That's not part of the fabric. But you can see we really got this one clean. This one. Like I said, those are just cotton strands lighting up in there. And this is the inspection that we do on all of our cleanings, pet cleanings as well. We're looking for any damaged fibers or areas that we should penetrate while we're cleaning, to make sure you're actually getting a thorough clean.